Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jonester Dog, and in this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make probably the most accurate version of a Lego KESTIS minifigure. So, I'll go over the parts in a second. Alright, these are all the parts that you need. So let's start with a minifigure. You want the legs from Hawkeye, from the first Avengers movie. Then you want the torso from Nick Fury, but you want to flip it around. Then you want dark blue arms, one light nougat hand, and one brown hand. I use Luke Skywalker. And then from the hair, I use from Peter Parker from the Marvel CMF series. If you want to add a poncho on, you can use this poncho from Luke Skywalker. And then have this brown purse piece. And put it on just like that. And then you just need a blue lightsaber. And there is your KESTIS. But then again, you don't have to have the poncho. Which this also looks fine. But you can't have KESTIS without BD1. So I'm going to show you how to make him. You want one of these neck bracket pieces and one of these. You want to attach it on the back just like this. And also, if you want the BD1 attachment, you would want to put the neck bracket on first, and then the purse over it, and then you would put this piece on like this. And then for BD1, you want one of these white battle droid arms. Put it on like this. And then some white thermal binoculars. Put it on just like this. And there. So, again guys, you can have the poncho if you want. He looks super cool with or without it anyways. But that's how you make your own Lego custom KESTIS. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I have plenty more Lego custom minifigures on my channel. Stay subscribed, leave a like, and enjoy your day.